API scripts that are created need to be aware of the two most important TWS API classes, EClient class and EWrapper class. Upon clicking in the IBAPI class reference list, the first entry is the EClient class. This client contains all the available methods to communicate and request data from IV. The call to this method will be made voluntarily by your API application. Up to 32 clients can be connected to a single instance of TWS Gateway simultaneously. To create another client connection, you will need to change the client ID and not use previous ones that are already connected. The documentation about public and private member functions are not structurally defined in Python, although the references are nearly the same in all languages. There you can find all the necessary parameters and arguments for the method calls. The methods inside the EWrapper class are used by TWS Gateway to communicate with API clients. Every API client application needs to implement this interface in order to handle all the events generated by TWS or Gateway. In the EWrapper class, you will find callback methods to maintain the sequential structure in your program and receive information regarding actions, like for example when a fill occurs or when the portfolio value has updated. In the next tutorial, we will implement these classes and create some examples